How to create and manage databases in Hostinger. Welcome to this tutorial on creating and managing databases in Hostinger, a popular web hosting service. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to set up and manage your databases, making it easier to store and retrieve data for your website. To get started, log in to your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the Databases section. From here, you can create a new database by clicking on the Create Database button. Enter a name for your database and select the storage size you need. You can also choose to create a database with a specific prefix, which can be useful for organizing your databases. Once you've created your database, you can add users to it by clicking on the Add User button. Enter the username and password for the user, and you can also set the user's privileges to admin or editor. This will give you control over the database and allow you to make changes as needed. To manage your databases, you can use the Database Manager tool. This tool allows you to view the status of your databases, including the storage usage and the number of users. You can also use it to create new databases, add users, and delete existing databases. In addition to these basic database management tools, Hostinger also offers advanced features such as database backups and restores. You can schedule automatic backups of your databases to ensure that your data is safe in case of a disaster. You can also restore a database from a backup, which can be useful if you need to recover data that's been lost or corrupted. With these steps and using the tools provided by Hostinger, you can create and manage databases that meet your website's needs. Whether you're a beginner or a web developer, this tutorial should have provided you with the knowledge and skills to get started with database management in Hostinger. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.